Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. Sorry about that, y'all. The video just keeps cutting because of storage. Another thing too, I gotta get a new device. That's a lot of new stuff we gotta get. A lot of new stuff we gotta get for sure. Here's this. Here's something I wanted to talk to. I had to talk to somebody about this, and there's been this been going on for years. And the Narcissistic YouTube channel community, people been saying this, and I disagree. So what people talk about are narcissists demonically possessed. And there's therapists that back this and say yes, because there's no real reason why they do this and do that, and then this, and people say, yeah, they are possessed. I'm calling bullcrap, dog. Narcissists are not possessed. They're not demonically possessed. I'm not even gonna, because as far as even talking with demons and whatnot, I mean, people have this thing between God and the devil. And the devil being a bad person. And bad means effeminate and gay means happy. So the devil is this negative thing. How is this devil a negative thing for punishing those that did wrong? That sounds like someone that's doing a community service. Something that's benefiting the community. If not. So I don't get that. And devil's Lucifer is in light. It means the light, illuminate. You need light to know. That's what the challenge is. But then in the Bible, and in many religions and Christianity and whatnot, they challenge you, but they say don't challenge, don't question God, don't question this, don't question. That already in itself is a sense of control. A sense of control, not the ability to not have you be free thinking. That is wicked like. You do have the ability to question. You do have to question. And that's the thing that the narcissist does. They get you to question your own sanity. Deny what you saw in front of you and try to tell you it did not happen when it did happen as it happened. I went into the store with a friend, and I walk in there with my father. You guys know we are feathers for American, full-blooded. And so a guy says, hey, you got a feather in your head? I said, yeah, I do. It's my cultural attire. He said, oh, he walks up to me and said, what? He's a cockeyed and stuff. He's like, so wait, so you black and Indian? I said, I'm not black. He said, you're not black? Is that? And he said, and I said, he said something, and I said, what color is my skin? And then he said something, and he kept murmuring, he kept going on, and I said, what color is my skin? What color is my skin? After the 8th time, I counted. After the 8th time, at least the 8th time of counting, I said, what color is my skin? He said, I think because my so-called friend, he's like, oh, he said it's brown or something. So he told him that. He's like, it's brown. So, okay, so I'm black. He said, look here. The only thing that exists is the black man and the Asiatics. It's the only thing that exists. Talking freaking bullocks. Trying to act like he didn't know. He said, I'm 38 years old. Or 41 years old. You can't tell me nothing. You said it. You can't tell you nothing. You old. Old means dead. Dead is old. Don't eat that food. It's old. It's dead. It's not fresh. You're grown. You're grown. That means you already stopped growing. The day you stop growing is the day you start dying. There's no extension of life. Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you know that? Cuz there is no life with a narcissist. They're lifeless. They may have attributes that extol and harness the energy of. That's why they love to have you around. Kind of like my friend who's a narcissist. Because he sat there right next to me as this man was talking, and he sided with this stranger. Yeah. He sided with this stranger right in front of me, and I still stood my ground. And he was sitting there nodding his head to this BS that this stranger was saying. The only thing that exists is the blacks and the Asiatics, which is completely fictitious. And he was trying to say I was an Asiatic. I'm not an Asiatic. I'm American. And it's trying to say if the Asiatics and the blacks, then what's the same thing? Because you just said I was a black. Which one? And black means pale. Look up the etymology.